Hey everybody, I want to introduce you to a new way to go through a slideshow. It's called Pear Deck. And when you open up your the link today, which I will have shared with you on Google Classroom, it's going to take you to a window that looks like this. Now, it might ask you to log in first with your Google account. If it asks you to log in with your Google account, go ahead and log in with your Google account. You can, doesn't matter how you answer this, I'm feeling reasonably happy. Okay, so it's a self-paced lesson, and it's going to take you through some slides. So you simply look at the slide, read what it has to say, go to the next slide. Go to the next slide. I'm not sure it's going to let me do this. Go to the next slide. Read what it has to say. And then some of the slides are going to have you do something. So this is a slide where it says you're supposed to draw anywhere on this slide. And so this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to draw a line from the plate names to the right place on the map. So an example would be, here's the North American plate, and you simply draw a line over there to the North American plate. So most of the slides where it has you do something today, it's going to have you do some drawing. So just pay attention to that, and I look forward to seeing the work that you do. Hey, you guys, do your best. Do work that you can be proud of. Show me that you have learned something from this activity. Great.